Hi garden friends, happy succulent Sunday. Today I'll be unboxing 3 ceramic succulent pots and they're from House Guard. And I really love the box. It's like professionally packaged. And there's a trio of them, and as you can see, they're all snugged up in here. So they come to you in one piece. You know, I always, that's like my main concern when I order succulent pots. They have an Amazon store, and look at that. They're made in like this like European style, like the tile that you see throughout Europe. So they've got an orange and blue one. There's like a baby green and a sky blue one. And then there's a red one with sky blue. Oh, so they're all really, really cute. And that's not even all. They all have their little trays. So it's the complete package. Don't you just love that? Oh my gosh. So look at this. So they fit right in, just like that. Isn't that cute? Oh my God, I'm in love. I am definitely in love. And it was so fun matching them with some succulents. So let's see, I'll show you. I'll get their little trays inside here and I'll show you the plants that I have for them. Oh my God, they're so cute, right? Let's just take a moment and just admire them. They're so colorful, right? Oh my gosh. So for the red one, I have this new cultivar from Altman Plants. This one is called Kalanchoe Dragonfire. Isn't that a cool name? So it looks like the Kalanchoe flapjack or paddle plant because it's a hybrid. Oh my gosh. So you can tell that this plant is going to get super big. And it blooms, I think, yellow and orange flowers. And there's some new growth right there. Oh, so it's super healthy. But look at that pad. Look how big that pad is. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So beautiful. And I thought that it would look so nice with this red one right here. And for the blue one, I have a gorgeous Sedeveria Blue Elf. And this is a big one. Check it out. This is from my front yard. And it has a little bloom right there. And I did cut a bloom because it was kind of long. It'll look weird on the video. But check it out. It's got, you know, a little imperfection there, but it's okay. You know, they take a lot of sun in my front yard. They're sun lovers. They're super tough. Sedeveria Blue Elf. And I thought that it would look perfect in this blue pot here. And for the orange pot, I have 3 Sedum Adolphis, and these are Firestorms. These are like, I know I say that, oh, that's my favorite, that's my favorite. This Firestorm Sedum is my favorite Sedum ever. It's not Little Missy, like I've said before. Now I changed my mind. Check out, now you know why they call them Firestorms. I mean, they turn this like orange red if you give them enough sun, like completely, like no green, just like this fire red. I love them. And I thought that they would look good in the orange pot right here. So I'm going to get started. So let's see, I'm going to get started with some soil. First things first. And I'll start with the red one. So I'll put this one to the side over here. All right. Clean it up. And I'll get my succulent soil. Fill it all the way to the top. You know what? I'm going to leave some space just so I have enough space to fit it in there. These are probably about 3-4 inches. So it's a perfect size for, you know, just one decent sized succulent or maybe 4 or 5 succulent pups. So put that inside. Oh my God, it's gonna look so awesome. Oh, I just love it. I'll show you the profile when I get the chance. But let me fill it up with more succulent soil all around it. So it's very easy to plant, especially if you're just doing just one succulent. Such a beautiful day. So it rained all last night. And after the rain, the days are just so beautiful, at least around here. So it's sunny. The sky is kind of cloudy, but it's still kind of warm. Oh, it's just gorgeous out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And it's not even that cold. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And now I'm going to press this in. And I'm going to grab some stones here. Grab my brush. Brush this little planter clean. Just the rim there. And I will be putting some stones in here. So I left a little space so they'll all fit in there and they won't all fall out. Oh, what's better than planting one succulent arrangement? Planting 3 of them, right? Oh, yeah. Why not? It's Sunday, right? So they have their own Amazon store, HouseGuard, and they've got their own website, houseguard.com. And if you look on my bio, I have a link to their Amazon store. And if you haven't seen my stories yet, I did a little unboxing on there as well with the link on there to their store, just so you can treat yourself to these beautiful planters. And then we'll share something. We'll have something in common. We'll have the same planters in our garden. Isn't that fun? Oh, so yeah. That looks so cute, and I'll show you. I'll grab my little stones here. I recycle them, reuse them. Oh, and let me see. Where is the little? Oh, there we go. Check that out. Heck yeah, that looks perfect together. I love, love, love this combination. Oh man. Hopefully I can get a better photo of it. Oh, but yeah. And this was my better half's idea of getting a little paddle plant for it, but then I found this new plant at the Home Depot, the Dragonfire, and I was like, oh, that's a new plant. I'm gonna get it. All right, so now that this one is ready, I'm gonna go for the Sedeveria Blue Elf. And I'll clean this up. All right. Okay, start new and go for this little cutie here. Oh, yes. So first I'm going to fill it up with succulent soil. I'm gonna try and make, I'm gonna try and not make a big mess. Getting tongue-tied. That happens to me a lot. It's all good. Okay. So press that in. And since my Sedeveria Blue Elf doesn't have that big of a stem, I'll be able to just tuck it in. It's got some nice roots there, as you can see, right there. So now I'm just going to make a little well. Tuck those roots in. Kind of nestle it right on top, and perfect. It worked out. Just as I thought it would. There we go. And I'm going to get my stones here and snuggle some stones right under it. So I'm going to kind of lift that blue elf up. Give it a little turn here. You know, the stones really help the perlite from staying in the soil. That helps a lot because you don't want to lose a perlite in the soil mixture there, because that's what keeps your succulents nice and happy. It makes the soil porous, just in case you didn't know. And succulents love porous soil. They do not like sitting in water at all, not even for a little bit. Perfect. I'm gonna clean this up with my hand here because my brush is wet, so it leaves little streaks. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it worked out just fine. Perfect. Love it. All right, now moving on to my third and last one in this orange pot. And orange is one of my favorite colors. My favorite colors are green, orange, yellow, blue. I love those colors. All right, warm colors, they call them. All right, so this is the one for my Sedum Adolphii, my Firestorm. And I will try to fit all three of them in this pot and see how it works out. So I won't fill it up completely, just so I can fill them all in there, or fit them all in there. So we'll see how I do. Okay, so I've got these three here. All right, so I'm gonna, okay, I'm just kind of gonna group them together how I want them to look. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. And I'll have them I'll hold them together, and with my soil, I'm gonna reach for that soil. I'll fill in the pot and kind of press on it so they can kind of stay put. And oh my God, Firestorm, they offset tons and tons of pops. So if you want to get a plant that's going to give you more and more and more, it's going to be this one right here. One of them for sure. Because there are other succulent plants that offset like crazy, this being one of them. And that worked out perfectly. They're all nice and snugged in there. So now I'm going to press on that soil just so I can fit the stones. Oh man, because they are already making like a ton of pups, and I'll show you if you're interested. So this one right here, that's a little pup there. That's a little pup coming in through there. Another one there. Another one there. You see what I'm saying? It just offsets pups all on its own, and you can leaf propagate them, and they'll do excellent also by leaf propagating them. And what leaf propagation means is that I'll pop off a little leaf, like I'll show you. I already have. So I popped off some leaves. This is a Firestorm leaf. And through this little node here, let me see if I can get a little closer, it'll make a pup within maybe a month. This little leaf here. So that's what I mean by leaf propagation, or propagating by leaf. And this one will either offset, or you can do them, or you can make pups through their leaves. I mean, it's just amazing. That's why I love succulents. Okay, so now I'm gonna dust this off, and hopefully that was, useful information. Because I didn't know that. I didn't know that you could propagate succulents by leaf until I was like, already in pretty deep. Didn't know it at first. And I even learned by accident. A leaf popped off, and it sat on the pot, in the little planter, and then I noticed a little baby growing from the leaf, and I was like, no way. And I mean, I was even more obsessed at that point, as you can imagine. So resilient. Oh, this worked out just so nicely. Love them in their orange little pot. It's a match made in heaven. Perfect combination. Wow, this has been a lot of fun. I need more pots. I'm gonna put some in the center there, just to cover all the soil up. Oh, how cute is that? I love it. All right, so now I'm gonna clean this off. All right. Okay, so I've got one planter. A little bit of a perfectionist here. Okay, so I've got, look at this. It worked out perfectly. And I hate that I can't show you how it looks from the front and that I have to kind of tip them like this, but hey, it's all good. Oh my gosh. So, now I'm going to get their little trays. Set them right there. Oh, it's perfect. It is so perfect. Okay, so I've got one right here. I've got my Sedeveria, and I'll put that right here. And I've got my Dragonfire, the new Altman plant cultivar. Oh my gosh. I am super, super happy with this little trio. Thank you, House Guard, for providing such professional packaging and gorgeous, colorful, bright, vibrant ceramic succulent planters. And garden friends, until the next planting, happy Sunday. Bye.